That's a nice little chunker. Since it is 420, there you go, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some energy. Look at them gills going now. Yeah, happy 420, bud.